Welcome back. We have still a lot of technical strategies to discuss from the F&O space. Ashish Chaturmohta of Sanctum Wealth Management has joined us now. Good morning, Ashish. Are you going to trade the Nifty and the Nifty Bank today or straight to stocks?
Good morning, Lata. So yes, you mentioned it rightly. I think now the trade is in individual stocks because after a sharp uptick, now we are entering into some kind of short-term consolidation phase into the market. I would not say that it's extremely weak because if you look at even the options data, clearly even at current levels, we are seeing a lot of put writing happening at 11,400 and 500 strikes. And I think since it has broken the lower end of the range, which is around 11,500, there can be some knee-jerk reaction which can extend till maybe 11,400 to 11,350 zone. But that is an extremely important support zone. So I think index is going to trade sideways, and I think the overall strength or the trend is going to emerge on an individual stock basis. And there I think we have some ideas where I think there is a clear trend which is emerging. The first stock I would like to discuss would be Pidilite Industries. So if you look at from the start of this series, the stock has seen almost 13% open interest jump in terms of build-up of positions. And if you look at slightly and slowly, we are seeing some gradual price up move, so which indicates that the open interest has significantly moved up, but prices are slowly and steadily moving up, which clearly indicates a lot of long accumulation has happened. And if you look at technically, the stock has been consolidating for last 4 weeks near its 52-week high. So putting it all together, I think there's a strong upside which one can expect in Pidilite Industries. I think on downside, one should keep 1165 as a trading stop loss, and upside in a very short-term basis, 1230 would be my short-term target. But positionally, I believe the kind of structure or the kind of open interest position is being created. Stock is headed towards 1280 to 1300 kind of zone on a positional basis. Second bet would be SRF. So again, if you look at this stock, I have been talking for last three conversations we had in last 2-3 weeks time frame, and it has really given a very strong momentum. So if you look at on Friday's trading session, we have seen almost 8% OI jump, and if you look at from the overall month, from the beginning of the month, I think almost 18% OI jump has already been seen in the stock, and stock has hit its all-time high after consolidating for almost last 12 months. So I think now it is entering into a fresh upside momentum. On upside, I think 2520, 2540 could be a short-term target one can expect in SRF. On downside, 2420 would be my trading stop loss for going long into SRF. And one short call is Kaveri Seeds Limited. So now this stock has seen some jump in last 3-4 weeks, but the overall momentum suggests that on a higher level we are going to witness a lot of short positions, because on Friday session we have seen almost 8 to 9% OI jump, and the prices have corrected almost 1.5%, clearly indicating some kind of short build-up which has started building up in the stock. So I think this could be initiated as a short with a stop above 475. On downside, 418, 415 could be a short-term target in Kaveri Seeds Limited.
Okay, thanks a lot for joining us and talking about your cues for the day.